Yeah, I'm going to give a quick review on this Trio Plus as an air purifier. And it has with air quality sensor on it. It reduces the odors and germs and viruses. It cleans really quick. It'll clean up to 1,650 square foot area in less than 30 minutes. It has a UVC, a PCO, and a HEPA filters, so it really removes all the particles out of the air. This one is really good for office areas and for schools. A lot of schools has them. This is a Trio Plus air purifier. It works really good. I think you'll like it. I know we do at our school. So give it a try. Check it out. I highly recommend it.